Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet leaf. For this, the materials you are going to need are double knit wool in green, scissors and a 4mm hook. For round 1 you need to chain 10. For round 2 you need to slip stitch 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 triple crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, then slip stitch and chain 3. Then for round 3 you need to slip stitch into the last chain, do 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 triple crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet and then slip stitch. Then you'll fasten it off and tidy up any loose ends. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching and please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials every single week.